Add smartphone, tablet remote control to all of your Somfy RTS motorized devices, sold separately, with the Somfy MyLink RTS smartphone and tablet interface. Designed to work with the free Somfy MyLink app for iOS and Android, this plug-in module works as a simple signal converter. It receives your app commands over Wi-Fi and transmits the equivalent RTS signals to your RTS devices. The app works even when you're away from home, so you can control your motorized shades, blinds, and more from anywhere you have an internet connection. The Somfy MyLink interface is designed for quick DIY setup. Just plug the module into a standard power outlet and use the app's on-screen setup wizard to add the module to your home network. Once the interface module is connected to Wi-Fi, you can easily add your RTS devices to the app interface. About the MyLink app. Available through the Apple and Google Play stores, the Somfy MyLink app gives you complete control over your RTS devices, organized by room in your app's interface. The app supports up to 5 channels, so you can control up to 5 individual RTS devices or groups of multiple RTS devices. You can also create scenes and schedules directly through the app. If you need to control more than 5 groups of RTS devices, you can use multiple Somfy MyLink interfaces together. Each additional interface will add 5 more channels. Contents. MyLink Interface Module, Quick Start Guide. Note: RTS devices sold separately. Requires a wireless router and internet service. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Adds smartphone, tablet control to RTS devices via a free app. Number 2. Free app works with iOS and Android mobile devices. Number 3. Control 5 individual RTS devices or groups of devices. Number 4. Create and activate scenes and schedules. Number 5. Easy setup, just plugs in and connect to your network. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. How can I connect Alexa to operate Somfy its blinds? Answer. At this time the Somfy MyLink does not work with Alexa, but I have been told they are working on it. Question number 2. Do I need a link in order to operate just one single shade motor, Somfy LT40? Answer. You don't need it, but you can use it. You can also use any of the other Somfy RTS remote controls to activate your Somfy RTS motor. Question number 3. Can Velux skylights, blinds be controlled by this device via Wi-Fi? Answer. The MyLink only controls some RTS motors. If your blinds have Somfy motors, the answer would be yes. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.